Hey everybody, my name is Robert. Thanks for coming to the channel. I picked this up from Amazon. It is the smallest mobile desk, stand-up desk you can get. It's a 40-inch wide desk. And also, if you see here, it's one piece. A lot of times I have two pieces. The one thing I liked about it too is that you don't need any extra tools. It has all the holes ready to mount, all the bolts, and they actually give you extra bolts. Here though, I'm having my oldest son Jesse help me, and we're using power tools only to speed up things. That's it. It has all the tools you need to get it all together. But again, we're just doing it really quick. That is the bottom drawer. We decided to do the tabletop first. So those are the controls right there. And now we're doing the legs. Once we do the legs, we're going to put in the casters here. And now you either have a choice of regular feet or casters. I needed casters because I want to make my stand-up tabletop mobile. So we're just tightening it down. Again, no extra tools needed, really. Now Jesse here is finishing up the wiring. It has a little basket, you can see it there, that you kind of tuck everything so it stays clear when you're lifting and lowering it. We programmed the tabletop real quick by pressing both buttons. It sets up, and now you can see it go up and down, and you could program 4 different heights. So now I'm doing a memory test to show you how it lowers and goes back up as well. It's not the fastest mobile desk, but it's not super slow for a single motor. Again, you just double tap it to the preset that you created yourself, and it'll just go to the height. I'm 6'1", so I decided to almost max it out. Thanks for watching, guys. If you're interested in this product, hit the link above or check the description, and peace out.